Thank you, Jeff, for my birthday gift, and I'm putting it to good use. Hello, welcome to Basira's Kitchen. Wafonna kayo sanun ku da zuwa maraba maraba maraba. Ramadan Kareem. Today we're making a Ramadan favorite protein packed moi moi in Yoruba or Alele in Hausa. Now let's go over the ingredients. I have two bell peppers, red bell peppers, two small red onions, two shallots, one Scotch bonnet. If you can't take the heat, omit it. I have 3 tablespoons of shrimp powder, 5 tablespoons of fish powder, a cup of red palm oil. This is my smoked mackerel. I have a video of it in the channel. I'll link it in the description box below. I peeled off the skin, deboned it, and shredded it. Make sure you get all the bones out because the last thing you need is to find a bone in your moi moi. And I have salt to taste, and I'm using about a liter of vegetable stock. You can use water if you want. I also have 3 cups of black eyed peas or beans that I soaked for an hour. So now we're going to peel it and then blend it. I'm using my food processor and the dough blade. That's more gentle. It won't break up the beans to peel the skin. So now we'll put the beans in the food processor and then add cold water though to cover the beans. Okay. So I'll use this blade. I tried using the dough blade, but it wasn't as effective. So now I'll cut all the vegetables and blend them and blend it with the peeled beans. I think I should make a separate video on how to peel the beans. Okay, so now we'll mix the other ingredients. The shrimp powder, the fish powder, and the smoked, what do you call it?
Mackerel.
Salmon. Salmon. palm oil. Oh, this is good. I'm also using the leaves in the small bowls because it gives it a different flavor. Traditionally, we steam it in the leaves. I'm trying different options to see what's best and easier since not everybody has the leaves. So traditionally, we steam the moi moi in leaves. I have my steamer basket here, and I have banana leaves. I washed them with vinegar and water, and I'm just using it to cover the steamer. Now I'm trying to form a cone with the leaf, and then I'll put the beans mixture in there, and it's almost like how the wache seller will put the wache in the leaf and fold it. That's how it's done. Yeah, that's the cone shape. And I also add hard-boiled egg, half of hard-boiled egg to each. There goes the egg. And I also baked some in a baking pan, loaf pan. And so there are different ways you can do it. If you don't have the banana leaves, you can also just bake it at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Yeah, here I put the banana leaves, so because the banana leaves gives it a different taste. And I covered it with foil. I also baked this one in the oven, but in a water bath. But it takes longer to cook it this way, so the best way is to just bake it without the water bath. Moi moi is ready. And in Nigeria, every morning where I visited, the moi moi seller will come early in the morning. Moi moi, elewe. I don't know. um, with Moi Moi, Nigeria takes it, but with Jollof, it's Ghana. And there. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Bye.